In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this poster design in Photoshop. Create a file with these settings. And pick this color, then click OK. Add some noise by going Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Then add some blur. Open your model image and follow the process. Now go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Select Paint Daubs and adjust the setting like this. Add a black and white layer and follow the process. Select both layers and press Ctrl or Command G to group. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Select Text Tool and add new text. Duplicate model layer and drag one copy onto text layer. Select third layer and add a mask. Right-click on text layer and choose Select Pixels. Invert the selection from Select Menu. Select Mask Layer. Pick Brush and follow the process. Unhide the top layer and add it as clipping mask on text layer. Select text layer and go to blending options. And follow these settings. Create a new layer on model layer. Change blend mode to overlay. Pick red color brush and follow the process. For the other steps, let me speed up the process because it's only about copy and pasting the shapes. That's it, and hope you like it. Don't forget to like the video.